Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HOTWAV Pad 8 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. And now let's tap on date and time, and right here we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the automatic option, so we can our device actually sets the time and the time zone automatically. So let's start with turning off those switchers, and now we can freely tap on date, pick it from this calendar, so just find the date and confirm it with OK. The same situation with the time, just choose it from this clock and tap on OK. Now we can also change the time zone, just tap on the region, and no, I don't want to do that. Okay, just tap on the region as I said, and here we've got the full list of available regions from which we can choose, so just find yours and then tap on it. For example, this one. Of course, be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. It's quite normal. Here we've got the time format option, so currently we are using the 24-hour one. We can use 12-hour format just by turning off this option, and we can also use local default. It's basically up to you. If you'd like to, you can always go back to all previous settings, so the automatic options, just by tapping on those switchers here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.